Hey there everyone, welcome to another episode of Bert's Bike. Today we're going to ride the Z900. For those of you who don't know, I own the Z900RS Cafe, so I'm going to see how this differs from that. Looks like a totally different motorcycle though. Super aggressive styling. Let's see what it feels like to sit on it. Alright, whoa, okay. So definitely flat-footed this thing. Pegs are further up. And you're in like a pretty bent position there.
Got any questions or anything up here?
No, I'm good, sorry.
Right,
Yeah, knees are pretty bent on this. If you try to ride on the balls of your foot's gonna hit the exhaust on the right side, but this is definitely like a way more aggressive stance. TFT looks awesome. Same clunk that mine has. Clutch engagement point's about the same.
Alright guys, if I can see a thumbs up, it shows me that you are ready to go.
Alright. So unlike my bike, I just found out that this has actual modes in it. This is in sport mode. So this is actually a ride-by-wire, not a cable. And it feels very responsive. Doesn't feel like ride-by-wire. All right. Yeah, I don't know if this one has more miles on it or not, but I feel like the gearbox on this is a little smoother than mine. Alright, right off the bat, mirrors are too far back for my taste. So if this were my bike, I'd rotate them forward. I got some guys behind me there. Wow. Alright, this is definitely a fun ride. Throttle response is great. Really just, yeah. So, versus the Cafe version, you're definitely more locked in on this bike. The scoops on the tank really kind of lock you in here. Definitely not as much torque down low, I feel like. The Cafe version and the standard version wants to take off a little faster, but that makes sense because this bike is tuned for a little more top end. But I am definitely enjoying this more aggressive stance. Alright, I am 6'1", and I thought this sort of sporty position on my legs being kicked back a little bit would be a little bit of getting used to, but really it's quite comfortable. Scoop on the seat, there's a movement here. I thought you'd be more locked in. You are locked into the ride, but there's a little bit of front and back movement. So it's really easy to sit on this bike and be comfortable. Yeah, acceleration's nice and linear. I'm in sport mode on this, and I don't feel like it's out of hand. Yeah, I'd say the takeoff is maybe a touch smoother, and that's, I think, because the power down low is not as much as the RS and Cafe version. Nice clean wind hitting your chest, no wind issues or anything. Man, I just love this engine. The brakes work.
I knew it was going to change.
Well, I engaged ABS and that works. Alright, ABS does work, guys. And you could feel it pulsing, but it wasn't abrupt and scary, so it works nice and linearly. I think it may have come on just a little bit early too. I don't think I engaged the front ABS, just the rear one. I just felt that back end a little bit. Throttle blipping's pretty great. Slow speed. Let's see, slow speed. Easy peasy. This engine just sounds so good. Super linear. Just a lot of fun. Good lean angle on this thing. Didn't feel sketchy. Yeah, with this bike, you really just feel a part of the bike locked in. This bike's also begging you to ride it harder. Yeah, for a ride-by-wire, this is really nice. Super responsive. And I don't really ride too aggressively. I mean, I'm not a racer, not a hooligan or anything like that. I just like to enjoy the ride, but this really kind of brings out your inner hooligan, I think. Yep, same engine. And I think it's a little smoother because this one's a little more broken than my bike. So hopefully my gearbox ends up smooth like this one. Just like my bike, third and fourth gear. It's kind of where it's at for city riding, for this kind of traffic. Yeah. Again, I'm going to reiterate, the Z900 RS versions definitely have a little more down low, but this one just feels like super linear power all the way through and predictable power. So you can see I got a slight bend in my leg there, a pretty good bend actually, with one foot down. Super agile. Let's test out the suspension. It's the same. Yep. I think it's the same suspension on all the bikes. It feels good. Let's hit this bump and find out. Whew. Pretty big bump. Alright, so any bike would have kind of jolted on that, but it didn't throw me off my line or anything. It just hit the bump. Yeah, 2,992 miles. It's definitely more broken in than my bike. Upon looking at the bike, I thought that this wind would be deflecting off of this and just hitting me in the face, but it's not. It's just clean wind. Yeah, guys, this bike's a winner. In my book, all the Z900s are winners. Yeah, slow speed on this is a piece of cake. Slow speed's a piece of cake, super comfortable. It's just super easy to control. Yep. Awesome bike. Oh, just lean over quite far on the kickstand. Alright guys, this is Bert's Bike. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. And I'll catch you on the next one.